All right, we're checking out some Recaro seats with Nicole.
Hi.
We know Nicole from some of the GT500 and GT350 press launches. Nicole, what is up with Recaro? What's the latest?
The latest here is we have seats that are really good for when you're wanting to go and have, this is road, so meaning that it's certified, it has all the testing that's done to be on road, but you want comfort and performance. You want to be able to what we call field performance, and we designed a seat which is called function.
Right.
And the way that works is it's sculpted to your body so you have the most comfort and less fatigue. So a lot of these guys will take this seat in particular, they'll then add in a harness system to be able to take it on a track for a fun weekend, but then they have it for a daily driver as well. As you go down our lineup of seats, the biggest thing for Recaro is that we are making sure that everyone is safe, but yet comfortable.
Right.
A guy was telling me earlier today, he took a 12-hour ride in the seat, and he's like, I got out and I still was comfortable, and my body, I didn't have any curve points against right pressure points, and it's perfect.
Right, so obviously like a single shell seat has a really racy, aggressive look, but not the most comfortable maybe for the long haul compared to something like this?
Correct. So race shell is really done because you need to have that cocoon of safety.
Right.
You still have, we do races, 24-hour races, right, with our race teams when they're in the GT series, and it's important for them to have the right safety and cover, and so that's how the pads are set up, so that individual drivers, when they switch out, they can switch out quick, and they put in the certain pads that are formed to that driver, but they still are cocooned with the safety. It allows for the Hans system. We were the first actually to do a seat with a Hans device.
Okay. Would that have less like a cutout back here so the con sits comfortable?
And not only that, and then also from a wear perspective too. So we have new materials that we're using, especially when we get into off-road. We just launched 2 off-road products here.
Right.
And you saw in also with the Bronco, right? Our seats are in there. We have some pro racers in there that was shown. And we're also working with Lauren Healy and with Longdon Jr. We just revealed our 2 off-road racing seats. Ronky has the new seats in it. He's been testing it for 2 years. And really exciting because Lauren just got 3rd place in his last race with Ronky.
Nice.
And he said, I felt strong, which means that he's safe, he's feeling what he's doing, and the impacts are lowered because it has a vibration. So what's happening is an energy absorbing type foam in there that allows them to be confident but not having all that G-force hitting them.
Yeah, like you mentioned the Bronco deal, we rode the old and the new, and the seat makes all the difference.
It does.
The suspension's important in off-road, but like for road racing.
This is the driver's seat.
Right, but so a seat like this, if you like do a little drag racing or you do open tracking, but you still drive on the street, probably better off with something like this.
It is true, yeah. This is the best seat for more versatility and flexibility, right? And not only that, it has it a little bit wider when it comes to the bolstering on the side, so it has more demographics in regards to size.
Right.
When you get into racing shells, it's very important to understand your size because there's regular and then there's XLs, depending on the size and position of their body. So, and it's also important too is when you get into racing, the big thing is about understanding where your point is in the vehicle from an age point perspective. So your hip point and where you drive from. So if you're in a car, you're driving from your hips. When you're in a truck, you're driving from your shoulders. That's why you see the bolstering up higher. And why it's lower. So like in the Raptor, that seat that we do for them, it's lower on the bolstering on the cushion because you don't need it. You're driving from up here.
I got you. Like in my GT350, huge side bolsters for the hips. Really keep you in place.
Keeps you in place because that's where your movement's happening. You don't want it sliding because you don't want to fight the seat. You want to be able to focus on driving.
I got you. Very cool. All right, so thanks a lot. This has been really cool. I love the education on seats.
Yeah.
I always think you should love them with my 350.
And you have a simulator, right? So
I do.
You definitely need to get into a shell for that, so they could be just like we do. So we do several games, and for their racing series, they use our shells because the drivers are very interested in making sure they're from that game. They're sitting there and they're racing other teammates or with their teammates and against the competition, and they still need to have that same support that you have in a car on the track. So they use our shells.
I do play the thing sometimes for extended periods. And the seat that it came with looks kind of cool, but it's really actually not going to
hurt your back,
my lower back.
Yeah. So no, cool.
What seat would be cool for that?
So for that, that's the pull position over here.
Oh, sweet.
And then also here for the GT. Depends on what application. If you're going to have multiple dryers,
Right.
you're going to want something that has adjustments to it.
Okay.
But if it's for you and you can have it fixed set, pull position's the way to go because that's what you'd have on track.
Cool. Wow, I can't wait to get a Recaro seat going on that thing.
Oh yeah.
Cool. Thank you
Thank
so
you.
much.